So thanks a lot to MOVO for sending out this video smartphone kit, this iVlog smartphone video kit. Please do let me know if you like the quality, if you like the sound, if this is something that you'd be interested in buying. I can say it is good quality. Thanks to MOVO for sending this out. This is the iVlog smartphone kit, and I'm going to make this unboxing and quick review entirely on my phone. And this, if you're interested, is the Samsung S21 Ultra. Well, let's get it unboxed to start with. First of all, I'm holding on to this with one hand as I'm unboxing. So let's hope you see the difference as I sort of put the bits and bobs together. So this is the grip, and you can see actually you raise it and fall it with this nut rather than the normal ones which are spring-loaded. This has a tiny little grip handle which is on it now, and so already that should be a bit more of a steady shot. Next thing, I'm going to want to stand this up whilst I talk to you and unbox the rest. When you buy something like this, you wonder, is it going to be cheap plastic? But it's all nice and solid, feeling metal, everything. This mini tripod gripped by the base to be your standard walk around vlogging setup anyway. I can set that down now and use the spirit levels to get it stable and steady whilst I unbox the last couple of things. There's a wrist strap for the grip, which I probably won't use, but it's nice to have. An extender tube with the tripod, a bag for the tripod, so that's cool. Next two bits though, the actual tech bits, is the light, and this is probably the best thing about this particular kit. This is the wireless mic system. Hopefully you're going to be able to hear the difference in sound as long as this is charged up, because it takes batteries. There's no batteries included. A wireless lav and a wireless receiver, which actually does have a headphone monitoring jack in it as well, and that should be powered straight off the phone. So I'll grab some batteries and check that out. And lastly, LED video light, which I'm imagining has its own battery inside. Yeah, it is ready to go. It's a very bright day, not going to see the difference right now. Light has 3 settings, and they're bi-colour, so they're balanced tungsten daylight. Hear the wind noise when you're recording on your phone. That's something you shouldn't get when you're using the wireless lav. And this does also extend up the way. All of that's been with the microphones on the phone, so let's find some batteries and plug in the wireless lavalier mic, which is the main benefit of a vlogging kit like this one. So this is now recording with a lav mic. It's on my shirt just here, and it means that my mouth is always going to be the same distance away from the microphone, so I should get a really even sound. Also, you should hear a little bit less of the background noise. Now actually there's quite a bit of wind in the trees above me and there's some animal noise as well, and hopefully you're not hearing so much of that right now. It was really easy to set this up. It came paired out the box. Just plug in the USB-C, 2 AAA batteries in the transmitter, and the receiver was just recognized as a USB microphone, essentially stuck into the bottom of the phone. And then extend up the way. They're actually looking for sound from anywhere within that region of the phone, whereas this is just this kind of cardioid pattern around the microphone, and that means that it's just really looking for the sounds in the immediate vicinity of it. So probably the video didn't sound that bad when I was really close to the phone, but the moment that I get any distance away from it, you're gonna get that echoey sound. You're gonna get a much quieter voice compared to the actual background sounds, which will be just as loud in the mix as the voice. So having a lav mic is essential for talking head videos, walking and talking just like this one. The smartphone kit itself is really, really good. I've just got it here on the little tripod so that I can do some more creative things in this vlog. And because, well, the actual tripod when it's closed is just as easy to hold on to as the little handle that they've supplied as well. And one thing about shooting a vlog on a smartphone is that it does have great digital stabilisation. So it should look pretty good, not like you're in a ship at sea as I'm walking around just now. But having that wireless mic allows me to actually set the thing down set up my shot like so, and then I can be doing more creative things like talking to my phone from a distance, talking to the camera from a distance. I wonder how that looks. Also, the video light, not useful at all for a really sunny day when I tried this out at first, but as you can see, it does make quite a difference when you're out on a grayer day like today. It's even a bit bright. But it will just add that little bit of fill light in to make it a bit more flattering on your face. This is the lowest setting, slightly brighter, and then the brightest. So it just adds that little bit of fill light to separate you from your surroundings. So yeah, this is definitely a recommend from me, especially this kit because it has that wireless lavalier mic, which is a really useful thing to have with your smartphone for making videos.